In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro Charts. By the end, you'll know how to open a chart, pick the right time frame, switch between chart types, and add the most common indicators so you can read price action with confidence. Start by opening the Details panel in your Benzinga Pro Workspace. This is your hub for everything about a specific stock. In the search field, type a ticker symbol or click one from your watch list to load it. For example, you might pull up TSLA or AAPL. Once the Details panel is showing that stock, click the Chart tab. This brings up the interactive chart where you'll spend most of your analysis time. Now let's choose a time frame. Think of time frame as the lens you're using. For fast-moving day trades, select 1 minute or 5 minute. These compress the market into very small slices, letting you see quick momentum shifts and scalp opportunities. For intraday swings where trades might last a few hours, 15-minute or 1-hour views smooth out some noise while still keeping you close to real-time moves. If you're analyzing the bigger picture, switch to 1 day or 1 week. Daily and weekly charts reveal primary trends, major support and resistance, and the overall health of a stock. A helpful tip: start zoomed out to understand the trend, then zoom in to plan entries and exits. Next, pick your chart type. Candlesticks are the best for trading because they show open, high, low, and close for each period. The candle body tells you where price started and finished, while the wicks reveal intra-period extremes, making momentum and rejection levels easy to spot. If you prefer a cleaner, simplified view, switch to a line chart. Line charts connect closing prices and remove visual clutter, which can be useful for quick trend checks. Use candlesticks for decision-making and line charts for a fast sanity check. Finally, add indicators to enhance your read, but keep your chart uncluttered. Start with RSI, the Relative Strength Index, to gauge overbought and oversold conditions. Values near 70 often suggest stretched upside, and near 30 suggest potential weakness turning. Add moving averages to see trend direction. A shorter moving average crossing above a longer one can signal momentum building, while the opposite can warn of potential pullbacks. Layer in volume to judge the strength behind moves. Price rising on strong volume is more convincing than a rise on light volume. That's it. Open the Details panel, load your stock, hit the Chart tab, choose a time frame, pick your chart type, and add RSI, moving averages, and volume. Keep it simple, read the story the chart is telling, and execute with clarity.